Here we're on the left side of the machine, and we're talking about the bottom of our access ladder for our cabin. We have a blue decal here indicating that we have a 100-hour grease interval. I'm up here at our 90-degree elbow for our unload auger. I got a couple 100-hour grease points that we need to hit. First thing I've done is swung open our cloth door. I can do so by removing the two bolts on our unload tube. You can see the blue stickers here indicating a 100-hour grease interval. First one is greasing the pivot shaft for our unload tube. The second one is behind this panel here. We have to remove these three nuts, and I can access that grease point. Grease these 2 points every 100 hours. We're on the top side of our unload chain drive, and we got a blue decal here indicating a 100-hour grease interval. The grease circ is on the back side of the sprocket. We're on the left side of the machine, and we're going to talk about another 100-hour grease point. You can see here the blue sticker indicating a 100-hour grease interval. This is talking about the bottom of the vertical auger. Now, to get access to this, I first want to remove my bolt here, and then I have to remove this cover. And then you can access it through this hole here. Now, you may have to rotate your auger in order to access this grease point. Here we're looking at our drive shaft for our final drive gearbox for our wheeled machines. We have a 100-hour grease interval indicated by a blue decal here. We want to grease this grease circ on the right and the left side every 100 hours. We're going to talk about our TerraTrack systems on our Lexion 700 series combine. Now, what you may have in your machine may differ from what you see in this video, so always refer to your operator's manual for specific greasing points on your TerraTrack systems. There's Generation 2, and then there's also a Generation 3, which we have here. Now, to access some of our 100-hour grease intervals, we need to remove this cover here. I can do so by taking out these bolts. That'll grant me access to some of our 100-hour grease interval points. I'm on the left side of the machine here. I've grabbed my service ladder so I can access my tensioning devices for all of my engagements. Now, I got 3 different engagements: my main engagement, chopper, and unload. All of them have tensioning devices which need to be greased every 100 hours. Do so by greasing the top of the pivot shafts. I'd like to talk about a 100-hour grease point on our rear axle. On the front side of our axle here, we have a grease circ. Hit the left side of the machine and the right side of the machine every 100 hours. We're in the back side of the machine here, and we've opened up our chopper door so we can access our rotors. We have a 100-hour grease interval you can see here on a sticker. The sticker is pointing towards the rotors themselves, so we have access to the back of our rotor. There's a grease circ on the back side of each rotor. This circ greases the splines coming from our gearboxes to our rotors. We're on the left side of the machine. We're going to talk about the rotor drive variable speed pulleys. First thing I've done is opened up my access panel on the right rear of the machine. Now you can come here and you can see there's a blue decal indicating a 100-hour grease interval. This is going to be on our drive pulley for our rotor drive. Come over here to the driven pulley or the mechanical pulley, and you can see it's similar to the threshing system. We have our 3 access points around the pulley. We have 2 groups. We want to hit 1 from each group, 2 to 3 pumps every 100 hours. Here we're on the right side of the machine, and we're going to talk about the threshing system variable speed pulleys. The upper pulley is what we're going to call the drive pulley. Here you can see a blue sticker for 100-hour grease interval. Hit this grease circ every 100 hours, 2 to 3 pumps of grease. Now we'll come down to our driven pulley or our mechanical pulley. Here you can see another blue sticker for a 100-hour grease interval. We have 3 different slots here on our pulley. 3 slots include 2 grease circs, a left and a right. We have to hit 1 left and 1 right, 2 to 3 pumps every 100 hours. You do not have to grease all 6 grease circs. Here we're on the right side of the machine, and we'll talk about the cleaning fan system variable speed pulleys. Here you can see on the drive pulley a blue sticker for 100-hour grease interval. And also on the driven pulley, we have a blue sticker every 100 hours, 2 to 3 pumps each.